Well, the explosive growth of NFTs shows no sign of slowing down. It's now estimated the industry could be worth $30 billion this year as demand for digital collectibles and gaming shoots up. So where is this all going? Well, it's all in an exclusive new Forkast research report in partnership with CryptoSlam coming out this week. And we have Randy Wasinger, founder and CEO of CryptoSlam, a cross-chain NFT data tracker and aggregator, joins us right now to discuss what lies ahead for the industry that will be critical to our digital lives in the future. And it's really great to see you, Randy. This is a powerful report. We're really excited about it.
Yeah, likewise. Thanks for the partnership, of course, and yeah, thanks for having me today to talk about it a bit.
All right, we're giving everybody a sneak peek here. We've dissected the numbers that you aggregate every day, Randy, you and the team. These are unique data sets on the NFT market, and really the only data aggregator that monitors cross chains here. So that's what makes it super comprehensive. And we're seeing NFT demand showing no signs of slowing down. The overall market grew over 570 times in 2021 compared to the previous year. And more recently, when you take a look at monthly sales, in January of this year, it hit $4.5 billion. So these are massive numbers, Randy. What are the main factors in your view that's driving this?
Yeah, first of all, if we were to talk about 2021, we have to mention the fact that crypto in general went way up compared to like January 1st of 2021. So the price of Ethereum, it like 3x, 4x between now and whatever data point we're looking at. Not to mention like the insane increased demand as NFTs went mainstream. I feel like it was obviously driven heavily by collectibles, and I feel like there was a bit of a convergence between collectibles and investors and speculators, and it just became this fun phenomenon in 2021. Very tech savvy people who just really have enjoyed experimenting, I guess, with the possibilities that NFTs can bring, and the collectibles were a huge first use case, but it's certainly just just one use case with many more to come.
I totally agree with you there. That is exactly what we're seeing as well, even in real time as we report on the day-to-day activity. But it really is, totally agree with you there, driven by the sheer number of people participating. So they're experimenting with version 1 of NFTs, buying and selling NFTs. It's been rocketing, as we know. Ethereum, one of the main blockchains on which NFTs live, saw 1 million unique buyers. Coinbase, which is set to launch its own marketplace, has 3 million people on the wait list. So you mentioned that we are V1 of NFTs. In your view, what are the other versions that we could be seeing? Where are we in the life cycle of this asset?
Well, I would say we are still very, very early. Mm-hmm. 1 million people, or I guess wallets, transacting with NFTs on Ethereum. It may sound big, but first of all, let's remember that a lot of people have multiple wallets. So any number you hear, just with NFTs in general, like with the number of users, especially on the chains like Ethereum, the numbers are inflated because people have multiple wallets for various reasons. So if you take that into account, we've really just scratched the surface with where adoption is going. So despite all the massive growth this past year, it's still got a long ways to go. So where we're at in the life cycle is just very, very early.
Oh, I mean, I think nobody even conceptualized what this was. Well, we know the people who conceptualized what it was, and we were absolutely reporting on it and talking to them. You built an entire company based on that. But I think for a lot of people, it just kind of came out of nowhere. And NFTs started their life as digital art and collectibles, giving people the chance to express themselves through their avatars, becoming part of a club in a way. But where do you think the technology can take us here? Where do we go from here? What use cases do you see for NFTs in the future?
We've hit on collectibles a lot, but you can't ignore the Metaverse. There's obviously a lot of traction there already. A lot of fun things to come as they are built out. But I would say, even beyond what we've seen already, if you think of like any asset that can be digitized, most likely will be digitized in a way that, especially in a way, if there's a benefit for it being on the blockchain, then I feel like the sky's the limit. Now, not all assets I don't feel like belong on the blockchain. Like, for instance, event tickets have been mentioned as a possible use case. I'm not so sure that they are, meant to, like, they really need to be on the blockchain. If an asset does persist, then that's what I feel like is where the blockchain really shines, especially when you can combine that with DeFi, where these assets that they can now be traded and bundled up and fractionalized. I feel like there's a life there that we don't even fully get yet, that is still coming.
Well, what we're excited about is that because you're looking at the data right now, you're actually keeping a very close watch as to how people are evolving the NFT space. And we're excited about the report. It is called The State of NFTs, Q1 2022. Folks, keep an eye out for it on Forkast.News. And next week, we're going to dive into what's happening in the Asia space and what the numbers reveal. We look forward to chatting about this more with you, Randy. Appreciate the insights here, and thanks for this sneak preview.
You're welcome, Angie. Thanks for having me.